So this is the summary of the showstopper, the current best flagship device available in India, the only one in India to feature a 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel flagship camera setup, Xiaomi Pro Focus, which is a game changer when it comes to the way that you capture photos, where every single capture or photo you take is one that's worthy of framing. You have the best display experience with a 120 Hz 10-bit 2K plus AMOLED display with Dolby Vision, with LTPO 2.0, HDR10 plus, and many, many more. You have India's first and only quad speaker setup that comprises of 2 woofers and 2 tweeters. You have a great design in the form of the metal camera deco, the velvet matte finish in 3 different colors. You have 120 watt Xiaomi Hypercharge, 50 watt wireless charging, 10 watt reverse wireless charging, 4600 mAh battery, and the 120 watt charger is included in the box. We have India's first and only smartphone with a 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel wide, and 50 megapixel telephoto camera, a flagship camera system that is unlike any other thing out there. One camera to rule them all, ultra night mode, OIS, 8K video recording, 4K HDR10, Xiaomi Pro Focus, and every single thing that you would need to create wonderful looking photos and images. So to sum up, India's fastest and safest charging standard is now made even better and smarter thanks to Surge P1, 4600 mAh battery, 120 watts, and of course, we also get the charger in box. To sum up the performance, you basically have Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 4 nanometer, the best possible chipset on the market right now. You have better CPU efficiency, better GPU performance, and you have truly global 14-band support for 5G, dual 5G, NFC, Wi-Fi 6E, as well as NAVIC. And this comes with Android 12 out of the box with MIUI 13 on top. We also have the fan favorite IR Blaster, and we also are ensuring 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates.
The 2 variants are, of course, 8 GB of RAM and 12 GB of RAM. You also get 3 GB of additional virtual RAM on top of this. So what's the pricing going to be? The 8 plus 256 GB will come at just 62,999. Yes, you heard it right. For everything that the showstopper is, this is an incredible price. And for the 12 GB plus 256 GB variant, the pricing is only 66,999. Isn't that amazing? Obviously, we're not done yet. On top of this, you also get a 6,000 discount from ICICI Bank cards and EMI options. On top of it, you also get an introductory offer of 4,000 rupees, which means you can get the Xiaomi 12 Pro for an effective price of just 52,999 for the 8 GB 256 GB variant, and for 56,999 for the 12 GB 256 GB variant.